Thank you very much, Griselda. As you are coming to us live here in Pretoria at the Union Buildings, we are just waiting upon the President to address the nation with regard to the way forward for the country, with regard to what's happening with the current outbreak. But in the meantime, I have with me here the Minister of Police, Mr. Bheki Cele. Sir, welcome to the show. So I just have one question. Maybe you can clarify. How are people supposed to comply with the current situation, especially with regard to alcohol, as you have alluded before?
Anybody that sells alcohol and consumes alcohol at any other place except your own place, you are liable for any form of punishment. That is from Monday to Friday. Saturday, you consume no alcohol after 1, and Sunday, unless you are in your father's.
Yeah, there you have it, the Minister of Police, Mr. Bheki Cele, coming to you live here in Pretoria. Back to you in the studio.